Hi students, in last lecture you have seen that we have done the basic concepts of geometry and practice set 1.1 question number 1. Now we will move further for question number 2. Here, if the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find distance AB. So we have to find out the distance AB for these 6 sums. We will solve it one by one. Here the first question, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. So here you know that 7 is greater than 1. Therefore distance AB is equal to 7 minus 1 is equal to 6 units. Now we will move further for question number 2. Here the question number 2 is given as x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 2. We know that all positive numbers are greater than negative number. So 6 is greater than minus 2. Therefore distance AB is equal to 6 minus minus 2. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 units. Now third question. X is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 7. Once again you know that 7 is greater than minus 3. All positive numbers are greater than all negative numbers. So here we can find out distance AB by subtracting minus 3 from 7. So it means I will put 7 minus minus 3. In short, it becomes plus 3 and 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 units. Now we will move further for question number 4. X is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 5. In a negative sign, both are negative. The number which is smaller becomes greater. So I can say that minus 4 is greater than minus 5. So distance AB is equal to minus 4 minus minus 5. So minus 4 plus 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1 unit. Now question number 5. X is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to minus 6. Once again both are negative. The number which is smaller in a negative number is greater. So यहाँ पे minus 3 minus 6 से greater है. So here distance AB is equal to minus 3 minus minus 6. So minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 3 units. Please remember minus plus minus sign of the greater number. So हमने 6 minus 3 तो किया लेकिन sign को रखी हमने positive sign, that is of plus 6. And remember distance can never be negative. So the ultimate answer must be positive. Now question number 6. X is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 8. Now we know that 4 is greater than minus 8. So distance AB is equal to 4 minus minus 8. So 4 plus 8 is equal to 12 units. Here we have completed your question number 2. Here we are solving question number 3. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. Find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. मतलब अगर पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर है तो 3 में से एक पॉइंट बाकी 2 पॉइंट्स के मिडल में होगा कहीं ना कहीं पे, एंड इफ दे आर नॉट कोलिनियर then the question doesn't arise that which point is lying between which 2 other points. So let's start with the first sum. Here distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ is equal to 10 and distance QR is equal to 3. So first of all we will decide that which is the highest value. So that becomes our first equation, the part of the first equation. So distance PQ is equal to 10, and now we will add up the remaining two. Distance PR plus distance QR is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So here we are getting both equal, so we can say that distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR from 1 and 2. हमें कैसे पता चला कि ये दोनों इक्वल है? So because here we got the same value. And now if we move further, so distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR. We got the equation and we can say that points P, Q and R are collinear. Okay, now we have to decide which point lies between the other two. So here this is the highest distance, so I will draw the diagram. Here P, Q and PR is 7, so roughly here I am keeping PR is equal to 7 and QR is equal to 3, and here you can see the PQ is equal to 10 units. So we can say that point R is between point P and Q. Point R is between point P and point Q. Now, second question. The highest value is 8, 6 and 4. So out of these three values, the highest value is 8. So I can say that distance RS is equal to 8. This is the first equation. Second, now we have to add up the remaining two. So distance ST plus distance RT is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So here if you notice both these values are different, so I can say that distance RS is not equal to. Please remember, not equal to, because their values are not same. So distance RS is not equal to distance ST plus distance RT from 1 and 2. So this is your first equation and this is second equation. So we are writing the reason from 1 and 2, and we can say that the points R, S and T are non-collinear. If the points are non-collinear, then the question of which point lies between the other two does not arise. So here your answer finished for the second question. Now the question number 3. Here distance AB is equal to 16, distance CA is equal to 9 and distance BC is equal to 7. So the highest value is distance AB, which is 16, and this is the first one, and distance CA plus distance BC is equal to 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So here you can notice that the values of these two equations are equal, that is 16. So we can say that distance AB is equal to distance CA plus distance BC from 1 and 2. Now we can say that the points A, B, C are collinear. C are collinear. Why we can say that they are collinear? Because the answer of these two, that is your first equation and second equation, is same. And now by drawing the diagram, we will decide that which point lies between the other two. So here these are the endpoints. So I will say here A, B, and this is 16. Now we know that distance CA, okay, so CA is 9 and distance BC is 7. So somewhere I will put C here. So BC is 7 and CA is 9. Here we got the diagram and we got the final answer that point C is between point A and B. The point C is between the point A and point B. Now, question number 4. The highest value out of this 11, 12 and 8, the highest value is 12. So I can say that distance MN is equal to 12 and this is my equation number 1. Now, I will add up the remaining two. So distance LM plus distance NL is equal to 11 plus 8, which is 19, and here you can notice that these two are not equal. So I will say that distance MN is not equal to distance LM plus distance NL from 1 and 2. So here we will say that the points L, M and N are not collinear. And when they are not collinear, now the question of which point lies between the other two does not arise, as you have seen in your second question. So here question number 4 of your question number 3, sub question 4 ends. Now we will move further. Sub question 5 of question number 3. Here you can see the distance xy is given as 15 and distance yz is equal to 7, distance xz is equal to 8. So 15 is the highest value. So I will say that distance xy is equal to 15 and this is my first equation. Now I will add up the remaining two. Distance yz plus distance xz is equal to 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 units. And now we can understand that both equations, the final answer of both this equation is 15. So we can say that distance xy is equal to distance yz plus distance xz from 1 and 2. Here we can say that points x, y and z are collinear. points are collinear, so the question that which point lies between the other two, that arises here. We will take the endpoints as this is the highest value. So I will consider xy as 15, and now we can say that yz is equal to 7 and xz is equal to 8. So I will take somewhere here xz as 8 and yz as 7. So we can say that point z is between point x and y. Point z is between point x and point y. Now question number 6. Distance DE is equal to 5, distance EF is equal to 8 and distance DF is equal to 6. Here the highest value is EF, which is 8. So I will say distance EF is equal to 8, which is your first equation. Now we will add up the remaining two. Distance DE plus distance DF is equal to 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. And here we are getting the different values. So we can say that distance EF is not equal to, please remember, not equal to distance DE plus distance DF from 1 and 2. The points, if they are not equal, so what I will say, the points DE and F are not collinear. Now, as the points are non-collinear, it means they are not on a single line. The question of which point lies between the other two does not arise. So here your answer ends for this sub-question 6 of question number 3. Now we will move towards question number 4. On a number line, points A, B and C are such that distance AC is equal to 10, distance CB is equal to 8. Find distance AB considering all possibilities. Considering all possibilities means there are more than one possibility which we have to see here. What is given to you? That is distance AC is equal to 10, distance CB is equal to 8 and the points are on a number line. It means they are collinear. Now we have to find out distance AB. So considering all possibilities, we have to find out distance AB. First, we will consider the distance AB. Here with the diagram, you can see that I will consider distance AC as 10 and distance CB as 8. Here we got it. So the first possibility here, we consider that point C is between point A and point B. Therefore, distance AB is equal to distance AC plus distance CB. Here 10 plus 8 is equal to 18 units. Now, second possibility. What is the second possibility? We will consider point B between the point A and C. So here I am drawing the diagram A, C, and point B is between the point A and C. So I will say that if CB is 8, so here I will say point B, and now I know that CB is how much? 8 units, and AC is equal to 10 units. So we have to find out distance AB. Here I will say point B is between the point A and point C. So here, if you want to find out distance AB, then we have to deduct this distance BC from distance AC. So distance AC minus distance BC. यहाँ पे अगर हमें डिस्टेंस AB फाइंड आउट करना है तो हमें डिस्टेंस AC से हमें डिस्टेंस BC को माइनस करना पड़ेगा. And now distance AC is how much? 10 units. Distance BC is 8 units. So we can say that final answer is 2 units. So distance AB is equal to 2 units when point B is in between the point A and point C. And distance AB is equal to 18 units when point C is between the point A and point B. The question that point A is between the point B and C does not arise as distance AC is greater than distance BC. So यहाँ पे point A cannot lie between the point B and C. So only two possibilities which we have solved here. Now question number 5. Here we are solving now question number 5. Points x, y, z are collinear such that distance xy is equal to 17. Distance yz is equal to 8. Find distance xz. Here it is given that points x, y, z are collinear. The information is that x, y, z, point x, y, z are collinear, but it is not given that which point lies between the other two. So here there are two possibilities, as if your earlier sum जैसा हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में देखा था वैसे यहाँ पे भी दो पॉसिबिलिटी है. फर्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी दैट पॉइंट y is between point x and point z, and the second possibility is that point z is between point x and y. Let's solve this sum with both the possibilities. So first possibility, in this possibility here we can say that x, distance xy is equal to 17 and distance yz is equal to 8. So here we are assuming point y is between point x and point z. So here distance xz is equal to distance xy plus distance yz. So distance xy is how much? 17. Distance yz is 8. So 25 units. Now for the second possibility, here we will assume that point Z lies between point X and Y. So here we will assume X and Y. So this is your 17 units, and now we know that YZ is 8 unit. So here I will say that, and this we have to find out. Here we have to find out this one, and now here we have to find out XZ. So distance XZ, what we are assuming here, point Z is between point X and point Y. Now distance XZ is equal to distance XY minus distance YZ. So distance XY is how much? 17 units. Distance YZ is 8 units. So 17 minus 8 is equal to 9 units. So we have solved this sum with both the possibilities. In the first possibility, when point Y is between the point X and Z, we got the answer 25 units. In the second possibility, point Z is between the point X and Y, and the answer is 9 units. Here we have completed question number 5. Now we will move towards the question number 6. Draw a proper figure and write the answers of the following questions. हमें फिगर भी ड्रॉ करना है और हमें आंसर भी देने हैं. If point B lies between point A and C, here how we read? Point B lies between point A and C, and length AC is equal to 11, length BC is equal to 6.5, then find out length AB. So let's draw the diagram first. Here we can say that A, B and C. Here we can see that the AC is 11 and BC is equal to 6.5. So I will keep here 6.5. Now we will solve the equation and we will get the answer of length AB. So length AC is equal to length AB plus length BC. Here we know length AC is equal to 11, length AB we want to find out, length BC is equal to 6.5. So we can say that 11 minus 6.5 is equal to length AB. Therefore length AB is equal to, I have taken this 6.5 on the other side, so positive becomes negative. Now 11 minus 6 is 5 and 0.5 still we have to reduce, so it becomes 4.5 units. So length AB is equal to 4.5 units. Simply you can cross tally. 4.5 plus 0.5 is 5 and 5 plus 6 11. So here our answer is 4.5 units. Now let's move towards the second question. If S lies between point R and T, here you can see, and length ST. So here first length ST is equal to 3.7, length RS is equal to 2.5, and then find out length RT. So here we will draw RT. Now we have to check that RS is 2.5 and ST is 3.7. So RS 2.5 and RT is RS is 2.5 and ST is 3.7. So we have to find out length RT. Here you know that length RT is equal to length RS plus length ST. Length RS is how much? 2.5. Length ST is 3.7. We can simply add up 7 plus 5, 12. 1 carry. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6.2 units. So we can say that length RT as 6.2 units. Now third sum we will do for question number 6. Question number 3 of your main question 6. Here in this question, if y lies between point x and z and length xz is equal to 3 root 7 units, length xy is equal to root 7 units, then find length yz. Here we have to find out the length yz. So we first draw the diagram. Say xz is equal to 3 root 7 and then xy here, so xz is equal to 3 root 7 units, and now we can say here xy is equal to root 7. So I will take here y and this is root 7 and we have to find out length yz. So length xz is equal to length xy plus length yz, since x, y, z are collinear. Now length xz is equal to 3 root 7, length xy is equal to root 7, and we have to find out length yz. So 3 root 7 minus root 7 is equal to length yz. So here we can say that 3 root 7 minus root 7 is equal to 2 root 7 units. Remember, 3 root 7 minus root 7, so it becomes 3 root 7 minus 1 root 7. Here we have to assume 1, so 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, so it's a 2 root 7 units. For the next, which figure formed by 3 non-collinear points? Suppose we assume that there are 3 non-collinear points as A, B, C. So let A, B and C are 3 non-collinear points It means, suppose I will take like this. Here I will take A, here I will take B, and here I will take C. It means they are not on a single line. So here if we join them, which figure formed? Here you can see the point A, B and C, and it formed a triangle. So we can say that a triangle is formed by 3 non-collinear points. Here we have completed exercise 1.1. Thank you.